Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase or lower treble on your speaker BOSE S1 Pro Plus. At the back of the speaker we have all controls here, and we will use only third channel because we connected with a by Bluetooth, but also if you connect it by a jack or mini jack you will also use only this third channel. Now right here we have this wheel, and now it's select to volume to change your volume settings. So we need to firstly press on it one time and we will swap to treble. Now to increase the treble you need to turn this wheel clockwise, and you can do something like this and you will increase it. To lower it you need to turn it counterclockwise, and we just lower it. And after 10 seconds this menu swap to volume, so don't worry. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!